Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place where you have taken photos more than once. You should say where the place is, when you took the photos, what special features the photos taken there have, and explain why you have been there more than once to take the photos. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, it is very common for students to talk about any kind of tourist place where you take lots of photos. But this question is not asking that. It is asking you about a place where you have been more than once. Usually tourist places are only visited once, okay? Like you just go there once, you visit the place and then you come back to your own home. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I have a keen interest in photography and like to click photos which help to capture and preserve moments, connect with others, as well as provide a walk down the memory lane. And today, I would like to talk about my local park, which is less than a kilometer from my home, and I visit it often. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, keen means great interest or a deep interest. Preserve means to store. Walk down the memory lane is an idiom which means to connect you with the past, and using idiomatic phrases increases the band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I am an early bird and usually go to the park during morning time to practice yoga in the fresh and clean air and like to capture images of the rising sun when the sky has different hues of orange, red, and yellow. So we have used an idiom here which is early bird, which means to wake up early and do things quickly. Capture means to take and use means shades. So we have used a range of vocabulary words here. Additionally, I also like to take pictures of the beautiful flowers which are spread all around the walking trails and truly depicts nature at its best. And sometimes I also click selfies as they turn out bright and nice against the colorful floral backdrop, eliminating the need of adding any sorts of filters. So trails means paths. Usually parks have walking paths. That means a track that is only meant for walking for the general public, okay? So that's what we are trying to say here, that those walking paths, they are surrounded by flowers all around. Depicts means to showcase. Backdrop means background. Eliminate means to remove. That means what we are trying to say here is that because of the nice colorful floral background, we do not have to add any kind of filters to our images, right? The pictures are itself quite bright and nice. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions. The last question, which is explain why you have been there more than once to take photos, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I visit the park frequently because of its close proximity to my house, which makes it convenient for me to go there as per my liking. So frequently means when you go there more than once or often, regularly. Close proximity means located very close, located nearby. I also feel on seventh heaven as it provides me a break from my hectic schedule as well as enhance my physical and mental well-being by providing a calming and soothing atmosphere. So we have used another idiom here which is feel on seventh heaven, which means to be very happy. Hectic means busy, enhance means to improve, calming and soothing means relaxing atmosphere. Okay? Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon. We made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.